How does the breakdown of hyperscalers building their own data centers versus leveraging a third party differ from market to market? And maybe we start with tier one markets before we move to secondary and tertiary markets.
Yeah, there's, I think, a couple different ways you can look at this. Different markets obviously are going to bring different dynamics. So, Northern Virginia, there's hyperscale users have just under 4 gigawatts of owned capacity that they are operating. But then there's an additional just under 4 gigawatts of capacity that they've either leased or pre-leased. But, if you compare that to a large market like Dallas, the hyperscale footprint is almost entirely leased. There is some self-build campuses, but a majority of that's going to be leased. And then you look at some of these other markets, outside of Northern Virginia that have a lot of planned capacity. The user stepped in and leased a bunch of space initially, but they have this backlog of capacity in a market like Atlanta where there's over 3 gigawatts of planned hyperscale capacity that they would own, or even like Phoenix where there's an existing presence, but they still have plenty of room to expand within the market.